This starts in the heart of South Yorkshire, the Dearne Valley, at Brampton, near the old Corton Wood pit site. We wanted to get away for the day, not just the valley, but the pull of everyday life itself, to find somewhere still, quiet and wide, somewhere the land opens up. But the roads don't make it easy. Every turn seems to drag you towards Sheffield. This is how we escape for a day, one hill at a time. This part of the journey links the Dearne Valley with the Don Valley, with the little-known Blackburn Valley in between. There isn't a direct route from the middle of the Dearne Valley to the Peak District. Most journeys are forced through Sheffield, down the M1, or some combination of the two, and they can take about an hour. But in today's traffic you're worn out before you even arrive. This 10-mile section is different. It gives you a flavour of what's coming and shows the promise of the hills much sooner, often within 20 minutes, and in a way that's actually enjoyable. So we adopted something like a spider's web. Major roads are radial. They run out from or back into a hub, a town, a city. They link the important places. Most drivers use them because it's easier, fewer turns. But radial roads pull like gravity, and before you realise it, you're not travelling anymore, you're caught in a jam. It's worth saying, this isn't about rat running. We're not trying to save time, or dodge queues, or push traffic onto quieter roads. If anything, this way is slower. But it's deliberate. The point isn't speed, it's direction. However, it is worth mentioning that during rush hours the rats do run around here, so choose your timing carefully. It's a bit like sailing. You don't aim straight for where you want to be. You work with the wind until it lets you go. If this was sailing, we'd be tacking and jibing. Sometimes you let the current take you, just long enough to cross to the other bank. At times you have to move with the flow, not to be carried by it, but to cross it. As we reach Wheel Lane, we're resisting the last gravitational pull of Sheffield. We've crossed the Barnsley Road and we're about to cross the Penistone Road. Our general direction is now west. You don't climb a hill head on. You read it and find the line that works. You don't fight the board, you wait for a square to open. Sometimes you go with the flow, not to follow it, but to cross it. This was once called Whalejaw Hill. It's now known as Jawbone Hill. As the road bends right and the trees fall away, the land finally opens out. This is right on the edge of the Peak District. It's over there where the hill meets the sky. By now the drive has become part of the destination, and it's taken less than 20 minutes. No motorway. In effect, we are touching Sheffield, but on its western edge, where its gravitational pull is the weakest. This is Ooty Bridge, the River Don below, the park off to the right, and once you reach the bridge there's only one way on. We'll turn left here, and next time we begin the second hill and the way west of Sheffield opens out, so don't forget to watch.